brown butter chocolate sauce with originally recipe. Let's do it together. 150 gram butter we cooked until becomes light brown or dark brown. That's why brown butter sauce. Then we added 100 gram muscovado sugar, one spoon soya sauce, and we mix until all the sugar is dissolved. When the sugar dissolved, we added 120 gram fresh cream or heavy cream, and then we cook it slightly, simmering for 10 minutes, and you can see becomes very thick. Then we added 40 gram chocolate we remove from the fire, and we mix it, and last we added pinch of vanilla sauce or vanilla extract. Your sauce when cooled down will be ready. You can use it for pancake, for cinnamon, for crepe, you name it. Thank you for watching me, Ahmed Yunus.